So we're given that y is 3 sine theta over 2 sine theta plus 2 cos theta within this domain. We need to show that dy by d theta can be written as some constant a over 1 plus sine 2 theta. And we need to work out a value of a. So just by looking at the question, we can see we're going to use the quotient rule of division, where we have v du minus u dv all over v squared. We'll let u equal the 3 sine theta, and we'll let v equal this denominator, and I'm going to factor out this too. So if u is 3 sine theta, then du by d theta, or u prime, will be 3 cos theta. And v prime, dv by d theta, will be 2. When we differentiate the sine, we get cos. When we differentiate the cos, we get minus sine. So we get cos theta minus sine theta. And now we can substitute each of these into the quotient rule. So we've got v multiplied by u prime minus u multiplied by dv. And this is all divided by v squared. And now we need to tidy this up. So we can multiply that with 2 and with 3, and we'll have 6 cos theta multiplied by the sine theta plus cos theta, and then here we'll have the 3 times the 2, so 6 sine theta multiplied by cos theta minus sine theta. Now for our denominator, I'll square the 2 and we'll get 4. Now I'm going to factor out this 6 from the numerator, and then we'll expand out each pair of brackets. And for our denominator, I'll expand these two out as well. And now we can carry on tidying this up. We've got the cos theta sine theta will cancel with this negative, so these will go. And then we've got the cos squared plus the sine squared, we know will just make 1. So our numerator will simplify down to 6. And for the denominator, we've got the sine squared plus the cos squared will make 1, plus the 2 sine theta cos theta. But if we go back to our question, we know that the sine 2 theta is a double angle formula, and this gives us 2 sine theta cos theta. So I can replace this with the sine 2 theta. And then we can simplify this. We divide both by 2. And then we can bring this 3 over 2 to the top. So you can see then that this 3 over 2 is our constant a. Okay?